Yo, what's good, guys? In today's video, my Yeezys they're really dirty, and I've been wanting a way to clean them that doesn't have to take almost an hour with just some shoe cleaner. So today's video, I'm gonna be putting them in the washer and testing how that goes and showing you guys. Before you guys do put them in the washer, you are gonna want to untie them completely on both shoes. You'll then want to make sure you do have a smaller mesh bag to put the laces in or the insoles if you really want to. Small mesh bag, white, so it doesn't stain your Yeezys or laces. Put your laces in there, zip that up, put that up to the side, and then you'll need a larger mesh white bag. Make sure it is white, because if it is not white, it will stain your Yeezys. And make sure both soles are touching each other. If they're not touching each other, that dirt on the bottom of them could stain the top of the other Yeezy. And once you get them in that mesh bag, zip them up, and then you're gonna plop your laces in there, and then same thing with your 350s. Put them in there. Put them in a different side so they can both get equal amount of water. Just distribute it. You know what I'm saying? And then you're gonna want to make sure you do get some soap. I usually use Tide Pods. If you don't have Tide Pods, just drizzle a little bit of soap on both of them. Not a whole lot. I just put one Tide Pod for each item. Then once you do that, you're going to want to close it and press start. The settings you want to use, make sure you do put it on whites. Then go over and you want to put it on cold. Make sure it is on cold. Soil level come at the complete highest it can go. And spin seed, you do not want any. This could ruin your Yeezys if you put a spin cycle on it. So do not do that. Once they're done, you want to pop that open. They will be extremely wet. You do not want to put them in the dryer. Put them in a dryer. That will not go good for you. I would not recommend that at all. Also, guys, when you do put them in the washer, do not use bleach. Now that your Yeezys are soaking wet, do not let them dry. As soon as they come out, make sure you do put them on a towel or something, and get your shoe cleaner if you have any. If not, dish soap will do just fine. I use your shoe cleaner. It's really foamy. So since the shoe is already soaked, you won't need any water. Just drizzle a little bit of that shoe cleaner on there, and then you take a toothbrush on the top of the shoe, and you're just gonna want to really scrub just like this for a good 10 minutes for each shoe, just all around. Just keep doing this for about 10 minutes. Now, if you guys aren't subscribed as well, please make sure you do subscribe. It really does mean a lot and helps grow the channel. And if you'd like to stay tuned for more videos like this one that are very informational and useful, please just subscribe and turn on those notifications if you want to be informed when I do drop these videos. If you are enjoying it, just leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. You then can continue just doing the process on the sides. Take those soles out too. Just do it. Then you want to take your shoe cleaner, put that on the back of the shoe. That's often missed spot, but there's a lot of dirt back there, so make sure you do hit that back tab. I'll just go over this all one more time. Make sure it is nice and clean. And you see how much better that looks. That looks pretty amazing. The washer really did work. Then you want to completely just rinse and repeat. Do the exact same thing to the other shoe. And, yeah. Once you have done this, I would definitely recommend cleaning the sole of your Yeezys. To this, you just want to get a couple of drops of your shoe cleaner or dish soap. Either will do. I think shoe cleaner will probably be a better option here. And then get a brush, a hard bristle brush, and just scrub that foam, that boost. Get all that. It really does help. It makes it look a lot better than it did before, and I would definitely recommend cleaning this. As you can see, this looks a lot better than it did before. Definitely recommend doing this. I personally like to just keep my whole shoe clean. Definitely don't want to keep it dirty. Then you can do the complete same process to the other shoe's sole. And it's really just a rinse and repeat process. Now, these do look really good, but you're not done yet because your Yeezys are still soaking wet. So you're going to want to have them air dry overnight. And after that, these are what they look like. They look incredible, look 100 times better than they did before going in the washer, and I'll definitely recommend following these steps in the video and doing that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.